So we are calling them as a religious minorities, those who are in the less in numbers. But these religious minority people means these victims are requesting to the administrators. They are requesting to the administrators. Okay. What they are requesting? Who is here? The administrators means those who are ruling. Means it's nothing but the government. How many types of governments are there? In the national level it is the union government, and in the state level it is the state government. In the national level it is the union government. In the state level it is the state government. Means these victims are, means these religious minority people are requesting them to secure the minority people. Okay, to secure the minority people. Okay, whose responsibility in the entire country? It is the union government responsibility. In the state level it is the state government responsibility. Okay, if they won't safeguard these religious minority people, okay, if they won't safeguard these religious minority people, okay, it may leads to the great disaster. It may leads to the great disaster of our development. Means the development will not occur in our country. Okay, development will collapse. Means it will create a great disaster of our development. Sorry. Right? It will create a great disaster for development. Okay. Right. Here, our Swami Vivekananda, he clearly mentioned that a religious reformer is none other than Swami Vivekananda. He said about a great word about the Hindu religion. He said a few words about the Hinduism. He said that Hinduism is not a religion, it is a way of life. He said that, you see, he said that Hinduism is not a religion, it is the way of life. This is the great verse which is said by our Swami Vivekananda. He is one of the great religious reformer. Okay, the Swami Vivekananda, he said that about the Hinduism. Hinduism is not a religion, it is the way of life. Means it will teach us how to live the life. It's not a religion. It will teach us what it will teach us. It will teach us how we have to live the life. Okay, this is a great word which was said by the Swami Vivekananda. So, Swami Vivekananda said Hinduism is not a religion, it is the way of life. But if we will discuss about our great India, already we know that as per our constitution, India will always maintain a secularism. Secularism is nothing but it won't give any importance to any particular religion. Means it treats all religions equally. Here we will discuss about our India. What is the specialty of India? No other country was like this. Okay, every country they are maintaining particular religion, but our India, they are maintaining the secularism. Secularism is nothing but they won't give any importance to any particular religion. Means they will treat the all religions equally. Means means either it may be the people belong to any religion, they will be treated as equal. Because of that reason only, the Islamic person has become a president of India, and the Hindu person also they became a president of India. Okay, means here every religion, okay, is treated as a equal. So everyone will get the equal opportunity. Okay, whenever they get the equal opportunity, definitely every religion will have a chance to develop. Okay, every community will have a chance to develop. Okay, by that development, entire country will develop. Okay. Okay. So, you will see the next topic in this religion, that is the women's movement. Basically, our Indian society means in our society we will maintain only the patriarchal society. Patriarchal society means it's nothing but who will play an important role in the family means only the men. Okay, means is none other than, in the single word we can say that, the father. Okay, he plays a key role in the entire family. Okay, this method it was following in our society from the ancient period, and we can say blindly we can say that it was deep rooted. It was deep rooted in our society. Okay, right? And means we are following it from the generation to generation. Means with the same thing, the patriarchal method only we are following from one generation to the another generation. Means always here the women are treating as a subordinates to the men. Subordinates to the men. That's why these women, already we discussed about the women's movement. Okay, the women have started the movements to get the equal rights. Okay, to get the equal rights. Means in our country, okay, these women they fought for the equitable, to get the equitable with men. Okay, for what purpose they want to get the equitable? In the family laws. Means these entire women they requested to the government to change the family laws in all the religions. Okay, here we are maintaining the patriarchal system of society in our country. Okay, from where we got this? From the religions only. So this was there in the religion. Where it was there in the religion? The family laws. Okay, so these women are requested to the government that to change the family laws of every religion. By these they will get the equitable with the men in the society. Okay, they will get the equitable with the men in the society. Means everyone will have the same values. Okay, means this all we got from the ideals and ideas of the religions only. So whenever they will change the laws of the religion, definitely the women will achieve the equitable with the men in the family or in a religion or in a society. Okay, thank you.